Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to use the premium tracker, which alerts you to upcoming premium payments so policies don't slip into lapse. Proactively reminding clients of premiums is not only great service, it helps you retain business and maintain long-term client relationships. You can view the premium tracker by navigating to the Insights button on the left-hand navigation, then select the Premium Tracker tab at the top of the page. It is here where you'll get an understanding of how many of your policies have upcoming premium payments. You can click on the first set of blue numbers to be taken to a list of all the impacted policies for a given time frame. You can also view policies with premiums greater than $10,000 with the second set of blue numbers so that you can prioritize your more valuable clients first. Premium Tracker can also be set on an individual policy. To do this, navigate to any policy owner profile, where you'll see a button labeled Track Premium. When you click on this, this will allow you to set up notifications to send to you a number of days before an upcoming premium payment is due, along with any notes that you'd like to add. Once you're done, click Create, and your notification will be set. You can see all of your set premium tracker notifications in a single view by clicking on the View Details button for a single policy. Next, scroll down to your pending notifications and click on the Premium Tracker tab. Your set notifications on this policy will all display here, along with action buttons on the right, which will allow you to either edit or delete the notification. Overall, NIC Premium Tracker allows you to stay on top of any upcoming payments, giving you the tools to proactively remind clients and protect your in-force business. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.